Yeah. And then I get to the likes, I got 200 likes. How the hell I got 200 likes? It ain't adding up. I'm thinking at least bring me to the 1,000. 10%. I ain't getting 10%, man. Then they ain't kicking it out. I got all my people from so I had to switch on over to Twitch, cause Twitch got all the people that do know how to work their phones and all that. See, I YouTube for the old schools. I was asking, I had that on my slogan at the end. Make sure your uncle subscribe, the one that don't know how to work his phone. I end up with all the motherfuckers don't know how to work it, man.
Cause I damn sure know how to work mine.
I end up with all of them on end. I be on my channel saying, hey man, like that. What the hell is that at? Hey, they be on there talking to the phone. I like it. I ain't getting nowhere with this.
Yeah, I understand.
But I think Twitch, everybody know how to work their phones good.
Yeah.
They ready. They know what's going on. So I switching on over. I gotta go on new style. I could have went to TikTok.
But when you gonna bring your cars out?
When I'm bringing, let me see, Caprice. We looking at next week. Mustang. I was trying to do all this secret type stuff to it, man. That shit done caught up with me here. I can't even, man, I was trying to do some top secret. That shit done slowed the process down. And I got two options. Take the top secret off or get somebody that know how to do it top secret. That's my only two choices, man. That's my two choices.
Who you got it with?
Right now, it's in Houston.
Oh, it's in Houston.
It's in Houston right now. Yeah, sometimes they be knowing. But right now, we ain't having a mechanical issue. Everything ready to go. It'll crank up. Boom. It just ain't. I'm having electricals and wiring and MSD, Holly, and all that shit, man. I got some community shit. Ain't communication. Yeah, I done went to Twitch, man. Yeah, that was my last one. Hell, it didn't even add up good. Hell, they was trying to get the likes up on that. I like it, man. Likes. Them motherfuckers ain't like nothing. They ain't like nothing. I'ma just put the highlights. What I'ma do, I'm gonna put the highlights on YouTube. Keep it interesting still. But I can't go live on it no more. It ain't helping me now. It ain't helping. My Twitchers say they gonna help. Hey, that right, Twitchers, man. We got Twisted Soul. See how they got it on my Twitch set up? Somebody put I-30 Dragway on automatically let them know the address. See, I be having people that's more helpful. They be helping me out. I don't gotta be on here trying to explain what's my Cash App and all that. It's already on there. I think I say Cash App. They probably just put it on the screen, let everybody know. Yeah. Or really, I think it's when somebody type it. If somebody say, "What's your Cash App?" It's gonna automatically push it there. It's gonna send them my Zelle. All the information they need, Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, Apple Pay. If you want to pay, see he wrote Cash App, that mother come right up. Look out, Race. That my boy Twisted Soul set that up for me, man. He cold-blooded. You think this TA gonna be able to stay out there this time? He ain't have a good first or second shift.
Jack handling up on him, man.
He ain't having. Where y'all going right here, y'all? Man, if that TA can shift, man, he'll be alright, man. He go to second. He done broke. No, he ain't. Never mind, y'all. Never mind. Man, artist, man, god dang, man.
But you know, both of my cars, that was the one I gave my son right now.
Yeah, he don't be driving it though.
But he just not.
I don't like all that, man.
He's just not trying to learn, man.
Nah, you ain't gotta just run it on motor. Anybody,
that's what he
I know. Is it running hard? You feel like that car running harder than the Hellcat on the motor, and you know people buying Hellcats all day. They getting right in them. Straight to the floor.
But you know them Hellcats got a lot of shit to it. That car just on small motor. It ain't running that good on.
That's what I'm saying. So he should be able to stomp it. Now that juice, that's a different story.
Yeah, it got juice on it. But
I know he ain't ready for that juice.
No.
He ain't ready for that juice. You got a progressive on it?
No.
Oh man, he got you straight raw.
Yeah.
He said, yeah, that joker wrong. Nah, he got you on straight raw, man. Say, hey, progress this. You need to be progressed.
Right out the back.
It's either on or off. Don't do it.
Yeah, both of them like that.
Golly. Yeah, we're going to have to, man, say, he got you on. Man, just keep it on the motor. They got a trans brake.
Don't want that either. Don't need it.
Yeah.
That motherfucker leave, man.
Just leave, man. You ought to be good at leaving. You can ship it good.
He don't need to ship it. He's not my son.
Well, I'm just saying, he done been in there? You ain't, damn. I thought you been in there.
No.
You ain't taking nobody for test rides no more?
Who?
You ain't.
Man, I'm 81 years old.
What that mean, man? You be in there. Don't even be driving it. You ain't seen them pull up.
I don't drive no more. I don't drive no more.
He said, I don't drive no more.
My car's at the house.
I thought you at least drive it though. You don't cruise.
I drive on the street.
Yeah.
I don't race nobody.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I get dizzy. You know, I had that radiation, and then I had that COVID. I get real dizzy when my car leaves. I don't fuck with my car.
That's 60. His shit, 60
Yeah,
foot.
you
So.
don't be fucking with a car where you get dizzy and shit.
Yeah.
You say he got dizzy down there and got out of it. You heard it. And he got back in.
Yeah, I'll be telling man, his car so fast, 60 foot make you dizzy. Oh, they finna get ready to do it. Let me go see. Let me see who he got first round. Let me see who he got first round. Sound good.
Stock motor.
This that same stock motor for 5,800?
Yeah, for years.
Yeah, ain't nobody buying stock motors for 58. That mug clean though. Oh, you thinking about it?
You be waiting on me.
Oh, okay. Oh, damn.
Going in the truck. Going in the 72 truck.
Oh, you got a 72? My daddy got a 72. He got a 72 GMC.
Yeah, it's a Chevy. Been in the family since day one.
That mug is clean. Everybody been wiping on it. They finna give y'all another tour of these cars right here again. Nah, I ain't getting nothing. Where the food at? Oh, okay. Follow the